Hello everyone, welcome back. Today let's learn how to use this and that. This and that for singular noun, which means this and that are used to talk about only one object. This, that. This is used to talk about which is near you. That is used to talk about which is far from you. Ball. This is a ball. That is a ball. Ant. This is an ant. That is an airplane. This is Reena. That is Rohit. This is an elephant. That is a giraffe. This is a sheep. That is a kite. This is my house. That is my school. This frog is green. That is a bluebird. This chick is dancing. That boy is jumping. Now let me know where we can use these and those. These and those only for plural nouns, which means these and those are used to talk about two or more than two objects. These, which are near to you. Those, which are far from you. These are roses. Those are trees. These are boats. Those are hills. These are tomatoes. Those are cherries. These chicks are dancing. Those birds are flying. These are my pet animals. Those are wild animals. These bugs are red in color. Those clouds are white in color. These are new books. Those are old books. These birds are looking beautiful. Those candies and cakes are my favorites. Hope you understand well how to use this, that, these and those. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.